Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by signing into your Google account. This ensures changes sync across devices. Once signed in, open Account Settings, click your avatar in the corner, or tap the menu. Make sure the image you plan to use is accessible on the device, preferably a square photo around 250 by 250 pixels for best cropping. Now, select Change or Add Profile Photo to begin the upload process. Doing this first saves time and avoids Next, upload the image and allow any permission requests so Google can access your photos. You will see simple controls: zoom in or out, and drag to center your face. This matters because Google crops to a circle for many services. Once framed, click Preview to inspect how it will look in Gmail and other apps, and adjust if the headroom looks off. Because thumbnails vary, try a slightly wider crop to preserve facial visibility after circular cropping. Finally, save the new photo and wait a minute for Google to propagate the change across services. Then verify in Gmail, Google Meet, and Drive to confirm consistency. Sign out and back in if it still shows the old image. If update fails, clear your browser cache or app cache, then reupload. Alternatively, try a different browser or the Google app. These steps fix most syncing issues because cached thumbnails often prevent immediate display of the updated picture.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.